In front of me is Nubia Focus Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids and install free app called Magic Fluids Live Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, hit consent and tap on note icon at the bottom left corner. Then to access wallpaper settings, use this gear at the top left corner. Operate all of them however you want to. And click on the top right corner. Then bottom right corner. Set a safe wallpaper. Yes. And finally set wallpaper at the bottom. Now you can apply one of those options. Apply your wallpaper by choosing one of those options. Home screen or home screen and lock screen. Then go back. As you can see, after that mine was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!